BeChained, founded in 2020, Spain. Clean tech.
Bad news. Industry is responsible for 30% of the worldwide emissions. And even worse news. Since 2021, as the electricity prices have tripled and become more and more volatile, so does the market, leaving manufacturers with zero control over their energy costs and their emissions. No way for businesses to buy from a startup like us unless we provide savings or boost the sales. Good news, at BeChained, we deliver just that. We optimize energy in manufacturing processes, whether liquid management, air compressors, and more. We cut by 20% the energy use in facilities like food, paper, steel. Therefore, we slash the operational cost by making production processes 20% more energy efficient. Imagine a steel plant where energy is accountable of 35% of the cost of goods. We can slash it by 7%. Our AI technology continuously identifies the optimal setting of machine and execute the improvement directly in production. We helped a steel mill to save $300,000 per year, resulting in $4 saved for every dollar that the steel mill invested in BeChained. Unlike traditional system, with hard-coded logic, operating in the same way over and over again, our type of AI, called reinforcement learning, automatizes the energy efficiency in a unique way, in fact, patent pending. It learns from real-time action and environmental changes and improves constantly the efficiency. I'm Stefano, 3-time founder and CEO of BeChained. With Bardia, our CTO, we lead a blended team with more than 45-year experience in energy engineering and data science. We monetize through a SaaS. Only this year, we got 5 new agreements, and during the program, we added 4 more companies. We see the urgency to prevent 65 million tons of CO2 emission in those processes per year by 2040, which is 2% of the current European emissions. We want to connect with investors in manufacturing and robotics to decarbonize those industries. We soon some fundraising, so come and talk with us to make those manufacturers go greener together. Thank you so much.